Hi guys, Tech Member here. Today we are going to see about Windows installation. Actually, I am going to use original Windows and it's fully free. I will show you how to install it. Let's get started. Before starting guys, let me show you how to find Windows is original or duplicate. So first we have to navigate to settings and update and security activation. Here you can see Windows is activated with the digital license linked to your Microsoft account. If it's a digital license, then yours is original. If it's apart from that, something organization name will come, the cracked organization name. If it's a duplicate, and drawback of duplicate is you can't update it. You can get free Windows from Microsoft page itself. I am going to use Windows 10 for this video. If you need, you can have 8 or 8.1 etc. Before downloading, I have to tell you that if you buy a laptop with Windows 10 example, for some reason your Windows 10 is gone or not working properly, so you give to service center and they gave pirated Windows. In this case, no need to worry, because the laptop mostly comes with the Windows Home Edition only. While assembling the laptop, they used to get Windows key called OEM key. I will explain what is OEM and retail key in a separate video. Just know that OEM key will be used and it will be in your motherboard. Even if you change any OS, you can use the OS that you got at starting, but this is not applicable to those laptop comes with the Linux or DOS. But the solution for this laptop is you can get OEM key for less price, like 700 to 1200 range, even in Amazon available. And I'm going to use VirtualBox to install Windows 10 because I have installed it on my host system already, and I will tell clear procedure how to install using USB and everything. Let's get started by pressing your boot key. Mine is F10. I'm using Acer. After going to boot menu, make sure security is off and change the priority of your USB to be first and save and exit. That's it in boot menu. We are using USB to install in this. Let's install Windows 10. Just going to Chrome and just type Windows 10 download ISO 64-bit. We are going to install 64-bit operating system. Let's go to first link. And it will ask upgrade. No, actually I installed Windows 10 right, so it will ask to upgrade or something. Actually I already upgraded it. And just click on download tool now. It will download it. Actually I already have it. Navigating to my download page. Open this thing. You have to wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's asking for accepting the license. Accept it. Upgrade this PC now, or create installation media. I already have, so now upgrade. Just create installation media, and next it will ask Windows 10 64 or 32 or both you can use, and you can select the language. Is the recommended option for this PC. Next, and you can select USB flash drive or ISO file. Next, and it will be asked to direct it to any of your drive. It's going to this side. I already have actually the internet connection, so that it will be just downloading the Windows 10 ISO file. Here actually, yeah, I already have, so I am going to cancel this. So after getting the ISO file, now we are going to burn in our USB drive. Just go to Chrome and just click Rufus. Yes, first number. The first link, here you can see UFS 3.4 latest, just 1 MB. You'll just download it. Downloading. Just click on devices. Actually, I don't have any devices to connect. So if you connect any USB, it will be showing here. And keep it as it is. After this, just select here the thing which we have downloaded. We have here actually, and finally just click ready and wait for some time. You'll get a bootable pen drive. That's it. Bootable pen drive part is over. And just insert it and restart your computer. Restart it, and you'll be pretty much to go. So after restarting your computer, you just came to this page and this Windows logo. Just starting. It will take time because I am using VirtualBox. And now you can see, you can select the language, time and currency. Yeah, it should be US. It will be fine for us. Next, install. Accept it. Next, custom install, and you can see your partitions. Actually, C colon will be in partition 0 or 1. You have to see the GB size so that you know that. And to get a clean install, just format it. And if you have any important file, just take backup and just format it. And just select the partition. Just click in next. Now let's start it. Now installation is started. I'll be skipping this part. I'll be joined after this part is over. It's just asking to restart the system. Now I'm going to restart it. Make sure to remove your pen drive, or else it will show like this. It will start from starting the installation part. So make sure to remove your pen drive before restarting. Actually, your Windows is installed. We're just getting things ready. Yeah, your Windows is ready to go. Just start it. Now it will just ask for some normal setting guys, Cortana, init Cortana or not, in location, etc. etc. Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, you can just mute your PC.
We're going to mute it. Yeah. Southeast region, is this right? Just select United States, no problem. US keyboard type should be US. Don't keep UK. The key binding will be different. Skip for any teams. you can just sign into your Microsoft account so that your Windows will be activated. And I'm not going to sign into this Microsoft account. Click next. Okay, offline account. You can name this PC. I'm going to name 123. Key password no. If you need, you can keep. If you sign into Microsoft account, it will be default set as your login screen password. Next, it's asking whether to keep Cortana as your personal assistant. Let's keep yes, because it may help in some task, because it's a original Windows, so no problem. Accept.
Voice mode on. Almost done now. We just need to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Okay. Yes, Windows is installed. Just yeah, now Windows is installed. I hope you like this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. If you have any problem by installing this Windows, you can just use comment section. Just comment and below. I will just read and respond to it as possible. Thank you. See you on next video.